Want to learn how to make money on Discord? Come to this website called Subscord and invite the bot to your Discord server. Link will be in the video's description. After inviting, just log in with your Discord account. Now, go to your Discord server, then server settings, and click roles. Now here, make sure that Subscord role should be also placed above all the members' roles and has correct perm. Admin perm isn't mandatory, but make sure it assigns the roles easily. And secondly, create a premium role. So that way you can give these special roles to people that pay for your membership. That's it. Since we had special roles, how about special channels too? First is the announcement channel. You can set this up so the bot can make membership announcements here when someone buys your membership. Make sure only staff has perm to view it since the announcements may include sensitive info. Add a premium channel for premium members too. This will make them feel special. In permission section, give view channel perms to only premium role. Free members can't see this channel. Since all the housekeeping is done, let's go to Subscord's dashboard. You can either go there from the link mentioned in the bot's description or from Subscord's website. I will give you a quick overview about Subscord. Subscord is a Discord bot that allows servers to sell subscriptions to roles using crypto payments or cards. In short, with Subscord, you can create a Discord channel that only people with a premium role can view, and if they pay for it. Using Subscord, they get the role automatically. Simple and effective. Now go to its dashboard and click the server. You will see your analytics here, which includes 30-day revenue, active subscription, number of customers, sales, and everything that you need to know how you're performing and growing. Now go to its settings. I will show you something cool. Don't be surprised with that blur effect. I am just hiding my crypto wallet. Scroll down. Remember I said that it's crypto and card-based? If you have crypto wallet, you can add the details like the currency and payout address. I have added mine too. Now, if you don't have crypto wallet, you can use Stripe payments since they also accept cards. In notifications, your subscribers will receive emails on renewal or when their subscription is expiring. The same with Discord DMs. In Discord channel notifications, you can add announcement if Subscord bot has access to the channel. Now let's add the products, the services you will be offering them. Go to products and click add product. Add a name for your membership. I will name it Premium Pixie. In description, you will add what services you will be offering them. Make sure it's clear and concise. Now add the image. I have already made one. Keep a cool and attractive one. Now you need to add option name. It means your membership name. I will keep it Premium Pixie since it looks cool. For duration, days, keep it 30 days. For price, I will keep it $10. When you disable recurring, it means that after the user makes the one-time payment, they get the role permanently. As for the active toggle, if you deactivate that toggle, it will only be available for users who are renewing. This allows you to increase prices while having older customers paying the lower price. I'll explain free trial later. Now let's add premium role, the one we created at the start. Voila! You have created the first membership. Now click add another option. This kind of works like basic course, intermediate course, and advanced course. I am sure if you have seen this in many websites. In duration, let's add 6 months or whatever you fancy. We will increase the duration of subscription and the price too. It will be $30. Keep the rest of the things same. Click add another option. This time we will add a 1-year subscription for $50. Remember, I told you about free trial? We are doing it now. We will add a 7 days trial. You can name anything you like. Duration will be 7 days, price will be 0, and enable the free trial only in this section. Once it's done, click Save Changes. Now, if you have multiple premium roles you want to sell, you can click Add Product to create a separate membership option for each. However, since I only have one premium role to offer, I've kept all the different pricing options within that single product. But still, if you want to add a separate membership for any reason, click Add Product. You have to just repeat the same thing, like adding name, description, banner, and everything. However, I highly suggest you adding a separate premium role here. I don't have a separate role, that's why I added a random one. Keep the price and duration as you like. Hope you got a gist. You can also add another option, by the way. Now I will cancel it since I don't need this one. Let's create your own cutesy store now. Click Store at the top. After the store appears, you can customize your store by filling out the details like the store name, description, and banner. The banner's recommended size is 1,500 × 400. Okay, so that's done. After saving it, let's check out how our store looks, shall we? You can see it looks absolutely adorable to me. Since I've kept all the different pricing options, like monthly and yearly, within that single product. It appeared that way. But if I had kept it separately, it would have looked like this. Okay, back to the topic. When I try purchasing one of the plans, it will show crypto as the payment option. If I had used Stripe, it would have shown card option. Now, let's go back to the store page. You can also copy the link of the store and share it with anybody who's interested in your products. You can ask them to maybe try out your free trial, which could help them to decide. If you want to keep the link in the server, I highly suggest you creating a cute embed and then adding your shop link. It will make it more attractive. Now, I will show you a cool feature that you might have seen but couldn't use until now. Go to Discounts. Click Add Discount. Add a code name. I will add Pixie. In amount, it means how much % discount you want to give people on your membership. I have added 50%, which means half the price of the actual amount. You can customize it by adding other things too, like how many users can use it, on which products, start date and expire date, and on which payment method. After you have done everything here, click Add. Now, let's test this discount. I am sure you guys are curious to know how it works. Let's go to our stores. I will select the most expensive membership here, which will be the Moonlight Pixar. It's an annual membership. Now folks, watch this carefully. This membership costs $50. Now after adding our discount code, Pixie, it has changed to $25, which is half the price. Isn't this actually cool? I personally love this so much. Now go back to Discounts page. You will find the records of all your discounts here. If you want to make edits here, click the Edit button and make any change you need, like name, amount, or whatever. And if you want to remove it altogether, just click the Delete button. For transactions, you can see all the records of the subscription transaction details. You can also see different filters for this, like status, discount, and columns. Now for customers, you will find their details too, which is actually pretty cool, like since when they have been buying your subscription, total payment done, status, and all. Let's talk Subscord pricing. They offer plans for every Discord server, starting with a free option. The free plan includes 10 subscribers, a store page, and crypto payments. Need more? The Pro plan is $39 a month for 50 subscribers. The Pro plan also has a store page, crypto payments, and team access. For larger servers, Max is $65 a month for 500 plus subscribers. Max includes everything in Pro. They also offer custom pricing for unlimited subscribers. So, this is how you monetize your Discord server using Subscord. My personal experience with this bot has been super good. I faced no issues. Everything is so simple. I will leave their website, bot invite page, and their Discord server invite link in my video's description. I highly suggest you adding the bot to your servers and start making money. Anyway, if you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button and invite Subscord now.